Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Georgetown is a historic harbor town on the eastern shore of Prince Edward Island, located on the shores of Cardigan Bay in Kings County. With a population of about 500 people, it is one of the island's oldest planned communities and has long served as an important center for fishing, shipping, and regional services. Its sheltered harbor, tree-lined streets, and historic buildings give the town a distinctive maritime character. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq, who traveled these waters for fishing, hunting, and trade. During the late 18th century, Georgetown was laid out as a planned town following the British survey of Prince Edward Island. Its excellent natural harbor quickly made it one of the island's most important ports. Throughout the 19th century, Georgetown became a busy center for shipbuilding and international trade. Wooden sailing ships were built here using timber from the surrounding forests, and local shipyards launched vessels that traveled around the world. The harbor exported lumber, potatoes, livestock, and agricultural products while importing manufactured goods and supplies for nearby communities. As transportation changed during the 20th century, commercial shipping declined, but Georgetown remained an important fishing port. Today, commercial fishing continues to support many local families. Lobster, mussels, oysters, and other seafood harvested from nearby waters contribute significantly to the local economy. Marine services, seafood processing, boat repair, and transportation businesses provide additional employment throughout the region. Agriculture remains an important part of the surrounding rural economy. Nearby farms produce potatoes, grains, soybeans, hay, and livestock, continuing a tradition that has shaped Prince Edward Island for generations. Agricultural equipment suppliers, trucking companies, food processing businesses, and farm service industries all contribute to the area's economy. Georgetown has become a popular destination for recreational boating. The modern marina attracts sailors cruising the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the Northumberland Strait, making the waterfront especially active during the summer months. Visitors enjoy the scenic harbor, waterfront boardwalk, restaurants, local shops, and nearby parks that overlook Cardigan Bay. Tourism has grown steadily over the years. Visitors are attracted by Georgetown's well-preserved historic architecture, museums, cultural events, and maritime heritage. The town's compact downtown is easy to explore on foot, while nearby beaches, cycling routes, and scenic coastal roads encourage visitors to discover more of eastern Prince Edward Island. Housing in Georgetown remains relatively affordable compared with larger Canadian centers. The average home price is generally between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars, although values vary depending on location, condition, and proximity to the waterfront. Historic homes, renovated properties, and waterfront residences often command higher prices because of their unique character and desirable locations. Today, Georgetown remains one of Prince Edward Island's most historic harbor communities. Its combination of maritime history, active fishing industry, scenic waterfront, and strong community spirit continues to make it an important part of eastern Prince Edward Island. The town offers a lasting connection to the island's seafaring past, while continuing to serve as a vibrant community for residents and visitors alike. Thanks for watching!